Once again, you are welcome to your favorite channel, Bize TV. Meanwhile, Dr. Zanetor Agyeman Rawlings, Member of Parliament, on his Facebook wall on June 3rd, said, "I returned to Odawna today to support the flood victims with some relief items. In times of difficulty, we must all lend a helping hand to uplift our brothers and sisters in need. Together, we build a better Ghana." And here are the excess of the donation that the MP, Dr. Zanetor Agyeman Rawlings, donated to the Odawna people. For more of such news, subscribe to my website. Thank you and goodbye.